Hi student, here is video on extracting metals toward the top of the activity series. Metal like sodium, magnesium, calcium and aluminium are very reactive. These metals are at the top of the activity series and are very reactive. These metals cannot be obtained by reduction with the carbon. These metal because these metal have more affinity for oxygen than carbon. Therefore, these metal cannot be obtained by reduction process. How can we obtain these metals? Method of obtaining these metals is electrolysis of their molten chloride known as electrolytic refining. When electric current is passed through molten chloride of these metals and compound dissociate into ions. Here is a diagram for electrolysis of sodium chloride. When electric current is passed through the molten sodium chloride, it dissociates into ions. Sodium ions and chlorine ions are formed and metal get deposited at the cathode and chlorine get deposited at the anode. At cathode we obtain sodium and at anode we obtain chloride. Process of refining of metal. Metal extracted from their ores still contain impurities and these impurities are removed by electrolytic refining. Electrolytic refining is the method of refining impure metal using electricity. Metal like copper, zinc, nickel, silver and gold are refined electrolytically. Electrolytic refining of copper and anode is made up of impure metal and cathode is made up of pure metal and salt solution of copper is used as electrolyte. Here copper sulfate is used as electrolyte. When electric current is passed through electrolytes, impure metal from anode dissolved into the electrolyte and equivalent amount of copper get deposited at the cathode. Copper is electropositive and it get deposited at the cathode which is the negative electrode and impurities settle down at the anode bottom of anode as anode mud.